Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Debbie and you are watching Just Debbie Marie. So as promised, I'm going to do part 2 to the video that I did last week about gifts for her. I'm going to be doing gifts for him for Christmas. So if you guys want to see the ideas that I came up with, please stay tuned. Guys, I don't know about you, but I always feel like guys are literally so hard to shop for. Literally, I just feel like you just never know what they want. Like, apart from you don't want just be basic and get the regular things that people get for guys as gifts, but then part of you is like, but then what you get? And before I get into what exactly I chose to highlight in this video, I want to remind you guys to subscribe to the channel, like this video if you have been enjoying it, and leave in the comments a gift or a Christmas tree emoticon in the comments below to let me know that you're watching. Also remember to check out my previous video, which was the female version of this video. Check it out, I'll leave it in the cards and in the description box. Also please remember to check out my other channel called Yardmates. Alright you guys, so I have categorized them again as I did in the video before. And the first category that I'm gonna talk about is the category for the dapper guy. Alright, so if you're a guy who you're buying for is very dapper, you can get him a nice socks and tie set. I feel like matching socks and ties, or ties and socks that go together, are just like the it thing for a dapper guy. And I know there are lots of Jamaican brands that do like socks and stuff like that, but the one that I can remember is one called Crazy Socks, and I will have their information somewhere on the screen, their Instagram handle, and I will also have their information in the description box, and that's for everybody. So check out my description box if you want to find info on any of the things that I've mentioned here. So yeah, you can get him a nice sock set. Something else that I think about is you can get him a nice cologne if you know the kind of scent that he likes, or if you know what kind of scent you like to smell on him. You can go ahead and purchase that. I mean, I don't necessarily have a recommendation for where you can get cologne, but there are whole heap of places that you can get cologne from in Jamaica, if you please. Also, if your guy is like big into jewelry, you can get him a nice watch, a very nice watch. If you know the brand of watch that he likes, you can purchase that for him for Christmas. And also, I realized that for the past couple of years, like bracelet, beads and stuff like that have been the in thing for a lot of dapper guys. So you guys can get him some nice bracelets, beaded sets and stuff like that. And the one company that sticks out to me who does that is actually a company called Edge Accessories. So they're basically accessories for him, so you can check out that page on Instagram also. I know that beards are a big thing in the guy community these days. Like, everybody wants a nice full beard, like, you know, and women are going crazy over men with beards and whatever. So I would suggest or recommend you getting him, if he has a beard or if he's trying to, you know, grow a nice beard, I would suggest getting him like a beard kit set, and that can include like a beard oil or a beard balm, maybe a little comb for his beard, something like that. And actually Mallory Naturals actually has one of those little sets for men for beard maintenance, so you can also check them out. And of course, I know somebody do a video reviewing Mallory Naturals hair care line before, but they do have some items there for beard care, so you guys can check them out also. Also, if your guy is big into fashion or whatever, you can get him a nice pair of shoes. I don't have anywhere in Jamaica that I can recommend to get him a nice pair of shoes, but if you guys have any recommendations based on any of the ideas that I would have given today, you guys can leave them down in the comments below. Okay guys, and also if you want to shop online, we're not gonna fight to know if you want to shop online. So if you know the brand of shoes or the style of shoes that he likes, you can get him a pair of shoes. Alright, so the next kind of guy that I want to talk about, or gifts for this particular guy, is the techie guy. So I know, yeah, maybe not every guy is very techie, but the first things that kind of come to mind, especially this year when a certain device dropped, right, is getting him some kind of gaming system. You can get him a PS5, or if he's not fussy about getting a PS5, maybe you can get some of the older versions for him. Also, if he already has like a gaming console, you can get for him some games or maybe some accessories for him to go along with his gaming console that he already has. Yeah, and I think you guys can get that from What's New. I believe they do sell games, and I'm not sure of the other ones, but I know What's New is an OG one. Also, if your guy is techie, you can probably upgrade his cellular phone if you have that kind of cash. I mean, it's up to you. You can upgrade his cellular phone, you can get him maybe a laptop or something like that. Or if your guy is somebody who is big into like pictures or filming, you can get him something like a GoPro or something like a drone. One of my friends on Instagram, and if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me at Just Debbie Marie. He actually suggested that that's something that he would really appreciate as a gift, is a new drone. He's very big into photography and stuff, so you can think about getting those. And I know some of those gifts, as I mentioned a while ago, are pretty pricey. You know, they can come at a pretty penny. But also there are other gifts, other techie gifts that you can give him, you know, that I'm sure will be very useful and he'll appreciate. One of those things are like a portable charger or a charging disc where he can charge his phone on the go if he's somebody that's very busy. Also things like headphones. I know everybody now is into like Bluetooth headsets, earbuds and stuff like that. That's another gift that you can get. You don't necessarily have to get the Apple brand or whatever, because not everybody necessarily has an Apple. There are still Android users like myself, no shame or no shade. So you can get him some affordable earbuds. Also, if he's very into techie stuff like that, you can get him maybe some speakers, some Bluetooth speakers, maybe if he likes music, or if he's someone that is studying currently and likes for the information to be played out loud. You can definitely get him a speaker as a, you know, useful and more affordable gift in the techie section. I realize a lot of guys have these days. It's actually a dash cam. You guys can get him a dash cam, and I know some of them can be pretty pricey, but some of them can also be affordable. Honestly guys, I really don't have any recommendations like that for this techie section. I personally don't really buy techie stuff in Jamaica, just because sometimes I find that you can get a better deal on some of the items by ordering them online or purchasing them overseas and having someone take them down for you. So I don't really have many recommendations or Jamaican recommendations of where you can get these things, but you definitely can check out getting a dash cam if he has a vehicle, if he's somebody that, you know, is on the road a lot. I know that a lot of people now do have dash cams. Also, if the person is techie, you could get something like a knapsack where he can house his like laptop, if he has cameras, if he has, you know, maybe like external hard drives or anything like that, that he could probably carry with him on the go. I know they have a lot of different kinds of laptop bags. You can even get laptop bags, I believe, made or custom made bags like that from a company out here called Bereshe. I will definitely tag them on the screen. You can get something personalized with probably his name or something like that on it, where he can just house all of these techie items that will keep them protected and will keep him organized. If your person or if your guy is very big into experiences or very big into adventure, you could also take him on some kind of adventure, some kind of experience. And the first one that I see a lot of people going to, especially since the pandemic, is actually going to Mystic Mountain. Now, a friend of mine at J Skull, you can check out her video. I will link it in the description box of her actually going to Mystic Mountain and going on rides. Now, if you don't know what Mystic Mountain is or where it is, it's actually here in Jamaica in St. Anne. It's somewhere where you can do like zip lining, bobsledding. They have different like rides and stuff like that. It's really an adventure place, and I believe that they do have packages. As I said, I will leave their Instagram handle in the description so you guys can check them out. So you guys can spend a day, whether it's your brother or whoever, gentleman in your life, you guys can go take the day and just experience it. You know, there are other things and places in Ontario that you can experience also. Another one that I would say that you can carry him to is a place like Choco Cove, where they have like dirt bikes or dune buggies. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but it's the same kind of concept where you have adventures. You can go on like different walks and horseback riding, and they have a lot of things that you can definitely do. And as I said, most of these companies have packages, so you guys can purchase a package and everything that you want to do maybe would be included in that. I do believe some of them also come with lunch, but you guys can check out that further. The other thing that I would suggest as an experience or something adventurous for the guy who's very adventurous is you could actually take him go-karting. I know there are a couple places in Jamaica. I know there's one in Portmore. I don't necessarily remember the name of it, but there's one in Portmore that you can definitely take him to go on a little go-kart. I know guys really like that. I don't really know if Dover is still happening since the pandemic, but you guys can definitely also take him to go and watch some races at Dover. I think there is somewhere too, I can't remember the name of it, where you can actually drive a race car, like an actual race car, not like a go-kart, but I don't remember that. If I remember where it is, I'll tag them on the screen, or I'll put them in the description box below. So yeah guys, I just want to say too, if you're gonna go on these kind of adventures, just remember to stay safe. Like, the pandemic is still happening, so please keep as safe as you possibly can when you go on your experiences with your guy. Next category of guy gifts that I want to talk about is the do-it-yourselfer. Alright, so if you have a guy, like my husband is like that, he loves to do things himself. He loves to figure out things, loves to fix things and stuff like that. So if you are shopping for Christmas for a guy who loves to do it himself, you guys can get him a nice tool set or toolkit. I know these are readily available online. I know you can probably check out some of the hardware stores here in Jamaica, maybe True Value, Super Value, places like that, that you can get those kind of things. Or you can even put a set together if you want. You can buy the different parts, wrenches, this and that, and you can put it together in a set and gift him. I feel like it's always a good idea for a guy to have his tools, whether it be like tools for his vehicle or tools for just doing things around the house. I always feel like a tool set is definitely a good idea. Something like a drill that can definitely come in handy. You guys can get something like that for him. Also, you can get him like a shear set or a trimmer set. This can be like trimmer for like your ears, your nose, your hair, whatever. You can get a set for him like that, because yeah, that's still a part of doing it yourself. So you can get him a shear set or a trimmer set, so that he can take care of his grooming and all of that himself. Also, you can get him something like some lanterns or some flashlights, things and accessories for his car too. You can get some stuff like that for him if he's somebody who is a do-it-yourselfer in terms of auto, or is always trying to fix up his vehicle in some kind of way. I know I have a couple friends who are like that, who just keep modifying their vehicles because that's just what they're into. You can get him some items for his car, maybe some accessories and stuff like that, that he would definitely appreciate, and things that probably he can do himself too, and he would appreciate it even more because, you know, he know that him doing it himself. So yeah, that would be a good gift for the do-it-yourselfer. Finally, for the guy who maybe doesn't even know what he wants or keeps telling you that he doesn't want anything, I'd have two recommendations. The first one I would say is to get him an Amazon gift card. Honestly, I feel like you can find anything and everything on Amazon, and I don't know anybody right now who does not shop on Amazon. So if the person doesn't really know what they want, or they're telling you that they don't want anything and you still want to gift them with something, I would say get them an Amazon gift card. And getting that is pretty simple. All you have to do is have an Amazon account, and as I said, I think most of us really do have that. Or if you don't, you can easily sign up and you can follow the instructions to get a gift card. These things are all pretty simple. And the second thing, for the person who maybe doesn't know what they want or telling you that they don't want anything, you can just get their account details and just drop a bag. So it's not only the woman that must get little money for the Christmas, man can get little money for the Christmas too. So drop a nice little bag, as we did say in another video before. Make sure you add 2 and 3 zeros, and that's how much you're gonna gift your guy. Alright you guys, so I want to thank you for watching another episode of Just Steffi Marie. I do want to wish you guys all the best for the season. No matter when you're watching this video, I want to wish you all the best in your endeavors. I want to thank you again for the support, and I want to remind you guys to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a like if you've reached this far. Comment down below either the gift emoji or the Christmas tree emoji to let me know that you're watching. Remember to check out my other channel called Yardments and the previous videos on my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.